What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from Safer Wholesale, and today we're doing a video on the Tough Lift 608 model. Now, this is your self-propelled scissor lift, fully electric. It'll go up and down, left and right, forward and back. And the full height on this unit right here that it will reach to the top of the platform right here is 19.6 feet. And the reach height, what you can touch when working, is going to be 26 feet. Now this one here, check it on out. We're going to go over some of the safety features. Obviously you have your safety light right now. The unit is on. Whenever you go to start the product right here, you always want to make sure that this has been pulled out. Otherwise it won't turn on. You also want to make sure right here that this has been pulled out as well. And then you're going to have your charger cord, which goes right in here. And then if you ever want to reset this, this is a feature right here. So you would pull this out and push it back in. And so we can talk about that in another video. But for right now, you have one other safety feature, red, that you go ahead. Obviously, that killed it. We go ahead and turn it, and it turns it right back on. Now, also, you have your control while you're inside the unit. You need to make sure that it's pulled out like so in this video. Lastly, right here, you need to make sure that this is pulled out so that way it can extend up and down. Now, another thing, to go ahead and turn on the scissor lift, this is off, this is on, and this is on. As you can see, there's two different ways you can turn it on. When you have it to the right, you can only, and by the way, you got to push this down right here, and you can only make it go up and down when your key over here is turned to the right. Now, if we go to the left, you'll see we push this, it won't do anything, okay? That's a safety feature, so we have to go ahead and push this, and then to get it down, hold the down button, and as you can see, it's lowering. Okay, so this one has some safety features right here. And now it's fully compressed. Jake, if you could get a couple measurements, do you have the tape? Let's get from the ground to the top level here. We're at about 34 inches right there to the top step. Let's keep the tape going up to the top rail from the ground. We're about 7 feet right there and 1 inch to the top rail. As far as the dimensions on this, it's 30 inches wide, 66 inches long. Now check this out. This actual platform right here will protrude and go out and project. We'll show you that in just a second here. And we'll show you the functions on how this actually works. So now, what we're going to want to do is actually use the vehicle. So what we got to do, if we're within the compartment, before we do that, turn the key to the left, okay? So turn it to the left. And now I'm going to go ahead and climb up in the vehicle. You've got your guard right here. Now watch this. So I'm going to climb up in here. You've got your steps. Now we're safely in the unit right here. If you want to come over here, a couple things. Before we take it for a ride, now you're going to sit there and say, nothing's working. Even though I'm squeezing this lever right here, nothing is happening, okay? Reason is, you have to push this button and hold it for a moment. Then it turns green, and from there, I can then safely in the vehicle hold down, I can move forward, I can move backwards, and then also within, as you can see, check the tires. They will go right to the left, and then of course we can easily turn right, go left, and we can go backwards, and we can straighten it out. Like so, very easy now to go up. You simply push this other button right within here. So if we want to go up, again, a safety feature right here, hold this button down until it turns green, and then like so. We want to go up, stop, go down, back towards myself. Also, if we want to go ahead and protrude out, just simply, there's different notches, okay? So we'll go into different notches right here. And all the way out, okay? All the way out from this side right here to the left, we're at about 110 inches. So again, 30 inches wide, 110 inches long. So you've got plenty of space that you can work. And then once again, go high up in the air. 18 feet, keep in mind, 19 feet, 6 inches to the bottom of this top rail right here, which is gonna be about a 26-foot reach height. So if we wanna go ahead and come back, take it out, back in there, now we're safe. Now, again, down. We wanna go up. Like I said, I'm going to go through the ceiling because this ceiling is only 20 feet tall. So, like I said, 19.6 to the bottom of the platform. You're going to be able to touch, no problem, the roof and way more. So, we're going to come on down. And that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching the Tough Lift, SaferWholesale.com.